Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create eye-catching Instagram stories but didn't know where to start or felt a bit overwhelmed by design tools, this tutorial is absolutely for you. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through creating stunning Instagram stories in Figma using easy templates and built-in tools, even if you're totally new to design or just short on time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get impressive results fast and how to customize your story so it truly reflects your style or brand. Let's dive right in. First up, we're going to save a lot of time by starting with templates instead of a completely blank canvas. Sometimes trying to create something from scratch can slow you down or even cause a bit of creative block. Templates are like having a running start. They give you a well-designed foundation that you can easily build on. To get started, head over to the Templates and Tools section within Figma. In the search bar, type Instagram Stories. You'll see a variety of ready-made designs pop up. These are already sized and formatted perfectly for Instagram, so you don't have to worry about cropping or resolution issues later. Take a moment to browse through the options. There's no rush here. The great thing is you can choose a template that matches the vibe you're going for, whether that's bold and modern, clean and minimal, or something more playful. Once you find one you like, go ahead and open it in Figma. Now, here's where the fun really begins. The template you've chosen is fully customizable, which means you're not locked into the default look. You can update the text, swap out images, adjust colors, and tweak layouts however you like. Think of it like working with building blocks. You can rearrange, remove, or add elements to create something unique. For example, you might replace placeholder text with your own headline, add your own product images, or adjust the colors to match your brand palette. You can even experiment with different fonts using Figma's built-in typography tools to give your story a distinct personality. Take your time with this step and enjoy the process. This is where your creativity really comes through and turns a simple template into something that feels completely your own. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to bring it into your Instagram workflow. You can select the entire story and export it as an image file ready to upload directly to Instagram, or alternatively, you can copy and paste it into another Figma project if you're working on a larger campaign or series of stories. And that's it. You've just created a polished, professional-looking Instagram story using Figma without starting from scratch. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and drop a like. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or want help with anything design related, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical design tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.